my blessed members, followers and friends. Today I am talking in continuation of my previous video which I had spoken about Wicca. So as you all know, I usually select members for Wicca and there is a selection process which happens. So last time, after seeing my video for Wicca, a lot of people asked me what does it have and what is it covered. As I had mentioned in my previous video, Wicca has 3 levels. So level 1 is not very high level thing, but level 1 is where you connect with your guru permanently. It's an initiation process where if we talk in simple terms, it's a guru shishya parampara which is followed, where you are initiated by your guru, you are welcomed to her coven and you become a part of that family. You learn about Wicca festivals in part 1, about the type of full moons in part 1, you learn some herbs, you learn some oils, some little bit of spells and what is Wicca, some again gods and goddesses of Wicca. And after that you start your journey, because many people ask me, Pinky ji, we are coming to Chennai for 3 days and in 3 days we will become Wiccans and we will finish everything. No, sorry, you're not going to become in 3 days. And one person asked me, my parents are saying this is black magic, and I'm very sorry again, it is not black magic. It is not that we people are having magic in hand to do black magic for people. Yes, we have magic in hand, but we use magic for the good of people and not for the bad of people. Yes, there are some Wiccans who use for the bad of people also, but then law of threefold is there. So now coming back to the topic which I was talking about here. So 3 days you stay with me, you spend time with me, you take the initiation, and then you also do the Guru Shishya Parampara with me. You service or you help your Guru in whatever way you can, but that help doesn't stop there. After that, what it happens, I want to show a little bit of research works which I have been giving my students and how I have been making them to do. I know seeing this video, some students whom I have still not started giving assignments will definitely WhatsApp me and ask me, why Pinky ji we have been left out. For me, it is a calling. For me, it is after the initiation is done, after you go for 3 days, after the class is over, you go for 3 days, the whole year the coven is active. The whole year we keep teaching you on that Sabbats, what you have to do, how you have to do. The maidens will keep guiding you. Okay, that keeps happening. There is no doubt in that. But if I have to take you to the next level, there is a process which you need to do. A process where you need to help your teacher, which is your high priestess, which is now, if you're coming and learning Wicca from me, then I am your high priestess. If you see, in olden days, the Sishyas used to stay in Gurukul, and that whole year, till the whole education is over, they used to do all small errands, do big errands, and make their gurus happy by getting wood from the forest and making khana for them. Now all that, okay, if you make khana for me, I will be very happy and I will eat, because I'm a foodie, so I would not say no to that. But this is not the errands which I am talking about. After this 3 days, when you go back, I should be giving assignments. I want to show some assignments here, and it is also to show how much I love this girl and this girl. And there's one more assignment which is there of one more girl that they have made me proud as I am their high priestess. So now if you see here, this was a topic which was given to one student. This is how she makes a booklet. This is her book of shadows which she has to make and submit, which has a lot of content which is handwritten. Now these all assignments is what we give you. What is the benefit of giving these assignments? One thing is, you will grow more, you will explore more, you will learn more. If you see here, I want to show you, she has worked on drawing Hecate. I don't know how far it's shown clearly, but she has done this with her own hands. And she has done this also. I always call this Yamaya as a sexy Yamaya now. But this is because she had come to me for Wicca and Hoodoo. And in Hoodoo, I had told her that Yamaya is the goddess for her. And she has done all this with her hands. And she submits this. So now this is one type of assignment, and these are some more types of assignments which we ask the students to make at home, and then they send us. So these all keep going on for the whole year, where you learn more, research more, explore more. Now if you see this is also another pretty assignment where the person writes with their own hand. Handwritten assignments are something which are a part of my research. If you see here, I make them to write. Okay, so this is one part which is a part of this level 1, where you do a lot of research and then you submit to me a lot of things. Actually, I wanted to show you all one more which had archangels and feathers and all. but that chart is still not laminated. Come, I get this laminated done. I ask them to make and send. Like for example, this is one. This is how we invoke and we cast a circle, calling on the all the 4 elements, and then how we remove the circle that is cast. So like this, a lot of things will come. Herbs will come, gods, goddesses will come. So you do rigorous research work from your home. You do it and then you send it to your high priestess. You don't share this content with others, but you send it to her. She goes through it and she tells you where you're going wrong, where you're going good, and where things are actually falling in place. And after this 1 year is where I again streamline, filter people, and I take them to level 2. I am not a person who goes behind commerciality saying anyone can learn Wicca. All you have to do is come online and learn from me, or come in person and learn from me. Yes, level 1, there is a selection process, and for sure you need to come at least for the initiation. After initiation, you can go back and practice from there. And the more you practice harder, the more you go to level 2. Because if you see, I might have trained 30 to 40 students till now in level 1, but level 2 only 1 or 2 are going forward. And in fact, in this batch also, just 2 of them I have set to, I think 4 of them I have selected for them to go forward to level 2, and because of which they are rigorously doing all the assignments and they're sending it. So if you feel Wicca is your calling, now how do I know? Yes, this is the main point which I want to talk. Many people ask me, how do I know if Wicca is my calling? Close your eyes and just think. When the name magic comes, what comes in your mind? When you see candles, what comes in your mind? When you see the sea, what comes in your mind? When you see the forest, what comes in your mind? When you see trees around you, if all this brings a smile, then Wicca is for you, because Wicca works with elements of the earth. If you feel Kali is your connect, then Wicca is there for you, because Kali's Wiccan goddess is Hecate. If you feel Yamaya is for you, then Wicca is for you, because though Yamaya is a hoodoo Orisha goddess, but many a times I connect myself with my Hecate and Yamaya, with my Gaia, Yamaya and Hecate. A lot of mixed things. Now sometimes when you sit alone and then all you love is, even if there's no issue, like there's no issue in my life, but I want to burn a candle, then yes, maybe Wicca is your calling. Sometimes you just feel like you should go out in the nature, sit in the sea for some time, put your legs inside the sea and just stay in bliss. All these are your callings. Now, okay ma'am, everyone likes this, so how do I know it's a calling? Close your eyes on a night, just close your eyes and call on Goddess Hecate and tell her, I want you to show me whether I am set for the path of Wicca, whether this is the right path for me to take, whether I should come or whether I should learn, and whether I should go in search of a mentor and learn Wicca. What happens is, she gives messages in many ways, either by a dog barking, either by a smell of garlic around you, either you will see in your dreams you're doing a bonfire dance, or you will see something where you are doing magic around you. So even that is one way for you to know. Moreover, it is happening in Chennai, September. So if you feel it is still your calling, because already 6 students have been fixed for my Wicca this year, and I'm looking only to be technically to say 6 students more. So if you feel Wicca is your calling, then get in touch with me now. When I'm speaking this right now, the number will come, which is my private number, and you will have to WhatsApp me and ask me what is the priorities or what are the formalities for Wicca, and we should discuss it. And if I feel yes, you are meant to do Wicca, then we should take it forward with you all. And I shall happily take you all in my coven and be there for you as your mentor, guru and guide lifelong. But believe me, I am not a very simple or a easygoing guru, but I will see to it that when you come under me in training, when you come under me in my coven, I will see to it that either you become the best Wiccan in this world, or I don't select you at all as the process. So blessed be to all of you all. Let's see who are the final 6 members who have to be selected in this process, and come and spend time with me and take their journey as the most powerful Wiccans of this world. Blessed be. Thank you.